The ladder trusted by the pros just got better. From top to bottom, Werner has upgraded the 6200 series, loaded with new advanced features designed to make you more productive. The new lock top holds an arsenal of tools, with features that include a magnetic strip, hardware bin, and relocated drill hammer slot. This top is the most functional top on the market. The top is also equipped with a pipe channel, a paint can holder, and is compatible with Werner lock-in accessories. Wide, slip-resistant steps are fully knee-braced. Heavy-duty, pinch-proof internal spreaders are connected with solid rivets. The 7-layer fiberglass construction is durable and preferred when working around electricity. Anchoring the ladder is the new Edge 360 bracing system. Edge 360 integrates edge bracing, external rail shields, and oversized foot pads into a system that provides protection from every angle. Available in 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, and 12-foot heights, built with a 300-pound load capacity Type 1A duty rating, the 6200 series is ideal for heavy do-it-yourselfers and professional contractors everywhere.
Introducing the first step bits optimized for cordless drills in high speed from Milwaukee. Made in the USA, these bits feature the rapid strike tip, a smooth cutting tooth loop design, and black oxide coating to deliver jam-free performance with up to 2 times faster starts, up to 4 times more life, and up to 50% more holes per charge.
What's good about the Milwaukee Step Bit is you can put it in your cordless drills and keep it on high speed. The way the bit is designed, cuts through smooth through the metal each step. You know, other brands, they bind up. You might have to put it in low gear to finish it through the hole. This one here, we can keep it on high speed. Nice, consistent, smooth hole all the way through.
When you're just starting a new hole in a piece of metal, tip always wants to walk around a little bit. This Milwaukee, as you can see at the end, it's almost like a drill bit. It's got a good point on it, so it stays where you put it, just like a drill bit would. And once it pierces the metal, it starts eating from there, stays in its spot, and drills a good clean hole.
You can get more holes drilled in a less amount of time, increasing the productivity of the job and at the same time having a longer battery life. Well, not having to change bit for the initial hole saves time, plus the speed with the drilling saves time also. It's definitely labor saving.
We get the panel marked out, drill right through the box, stay sharp, last longer, gets the job done quick. Plus, it's made in the USA, and that's very important.
Jam-free step bits optimized for cordless drills in high speed from Milwaukee.
Got a car, truck, motorcycle, or ATV to lift? The Powerbuilt 3,000-pound triple lift floor jack can handle them all. This heavy-duty jack quickly raises from 4 3/4 to 17 inches. No need for jack stands, just insert the included safety bar to securely lock the triple lift in the raised position. When the job is done, just remove the bar, lower the triple lift, and roll it away. Thanks to a removable lift saddle and built-in support rails, the triple lift works just as well on motorcycles and ATVs and includes built-in tie-down loops to secure your machine. No matter what you drive or ride, the triple lift is the only jack you need in your garage.
Sheer power. For a clean cut when working with all types of wire rope, look no further than the innovative wire rope cutter from Knipex. Available in two distinct sizes, 6-inch and 7.5-inch, this tool cuts wire rope without fanning or splaying the ends. Knipex's 6-inch cutter is designed to cut up to 1/8-inch Bowden cable and wire rope. The tool's induction-hardened blades not only surround the workpiece, but also overlap to provide a sheer cut, preventing the wire rope from flattening, fanning, and splaying. The high-leverage design requires little hand force and provides a mechanical advantage to achieve an easier cut. An opening spring is perfect for repetitive work and also reduces hand fatigue, while a handle lock keeps the tool in the closed position during transport. Non-slip handles provide a firm and secure grip in all applications. If cutting thicker wire rope is the task at hand, the 7.5-inch wire rope cutter is the ideal solution. This tool cuts wire rope up to 1/4 inch and is perfect for use in heavy-duty applications. Knipex 7.5-inch wire rope cutter is fully forged and now offers dual functions of clean cutting and precise crimping capabilities. Like the 6-inch version, the smooth, clean cutting ability is due to the unique shape of the cutting edges. These edges surround the cable and prevent the wire rope from splaying. Another design improvement is the ability for precise crimping of end caps and end ferrules. An internal opening spring allows for ease of use and reduces hand fatigue, while a handle lock ensures that the wire rope cutter stays in a closed position when not in use. This tool is available with either non-slip or dual-component comfort grip handles. The dual-component handle provides the user with a more ergonomic hold and is perfect for use during repetitive work. Remember these key features of Knipex wire rope cutters. Induction-hardened blades overlap to provide a sheer cut. There is no splaying or fanning of the wire rope. An opening spring is perfect for repetitive work, and a handle lock keeps the tool in a closed position during transport. The 7.5-inch versions include a built-in crimper for end caps and end ferrules, and are available with either non-slip or dual-component handles.
The Hudson DB1 debarker is a valuable chainsaw attachment that will save you time and money. The DB1, when used as a debarker before sawing logs, will prolong the life of your blades and save you money. Whether you are a custom furniture maker or contractor, the DB1 will help you achieve that rustic wood look you desire. A great tool for debarking logs, making fence posts, notching, restoration work, and more. The DB1 works with two standard 3 1/4 inch planer blades. These blades are powered by your chainsaw chain and attached at the end of the bar. It requires bolts through your standard bar and a 2-inch larger chain, but will work with any chainsaw.